Hi there, here is a walkthrough of our OpenHatch Telegram bot. And OpenHatch is one of Messier ecosystem's core products, and it facilitates escrow transactions between two parties, guaranteeing secure exchange. If any problems arise, payments can be disputed for resolution. There is a non-refundable 1% escrow fee that is incurred upon creation. And throughout this demo, we'll see how our OpenHatch Telegram bot is intuitive and very user-friendly. And this walkthrough demonstrates our OpenHatch Telegram bot's interaction from both the client side and the service provider side. In this demo, you will see our OpenHatch bot asking questions, giving clear instructions, and the client and service provider following along. In this walkthrough today, we prepared a scenario in which the service provider is a painter and he's painting 20 square meter wall of a house, in particular, a living room and a kitchen. Let's begin. Okay, let's start. As you can see, we're going to create a new escrow. And we're going to provide a project name, which is painting the house. And we can give up to descriptions up to 150 characters. Here we're saying painting 20 square meters of wall. And then we're going to select Solana with a budget of 1 SOL. And here what the bot's doing, if you could see on the right-hand side, this right-hand side is the service provider, and the service provider can find his wallet address and share that with the client. Now we're going to fill in some details. This is the first milestone, painting the living room green, a 3-hour job, including paint and labor. And the budget allocated for this is 0.6. And we're asked, shall we add more? Yep, we're going to add more. The second milestone is to paint the kitchen white for a 2-hour job that includes paint and labor. The budget allocated for this is 0.4. And if you could see the total project, it adds up to 1 SOL. The client looks over it and approves. And now OpenHatch is asking the client to send this transaction amount to the given wallet address. Okay, and now we just click submit. Perfect. The escrow painting the house was created successfully. And now you see from the service provider's end, there's a notification. And the service provider can manage escrows. Here, the service provider can see escrows in progress, also escrows that have been completed. Select role service provider. And there are the milestones. Here what happens is the service provider can request a release of the first milestone. The client approves. And there 0.6 SOL has been deposited into the service provider's address. And now we're checking the balance. If you could see, the service provider has received that amount. And now we're going to demonstrate achieving the second milestone, completing the second milestone, which is painting the kitchen white. Assuming the service provider completed that job, he's going to request a release, and then the client is going to approve and pay. There you go, 0.4 has been deposited into the balance address. And then the painting of the kitchen white done. Painting the house is successfully completed. And the service provider now is checking. There you go. The balance shows the completed 1 SOL. And what he's going to do now is withdraw this 1 SOL amount to his personal address. He gets that address by going to his wallet, copy and pasting the address. There, it's a success. Double checking there. There you go. It's been deposited. So fast. It's wonderful. And there you have it. We really hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough. This is a demonstration of the typical service transaction for the everyday person. And so after watching this walkthrough, I hope this inspires you to think of any of your daily life transactions that you can use with OpenHatch. So whether you're managing services or buying digital goods or having a transaction that needs escrow services, OpenHatch provides a secure and user-friendly interface for you. We are so excited about our OpenHatch Telegram bot. I mean, just imagine the possibilities. OpenHatch is all about making escrow services accessible and available right from Telegram. So go ahead, check out our OpenHatch Telegram bot and let us know how it goes. We would love to hear from you. Leave your comments in the section below. Please share this video, like this video, and if you aren't a subscriber yet, please go ahead and click that subscriber button. I will see you in a next video. Take care.